Hi, hope you're having a fantastic day. Um, yeah. Have you ever had a computer that's running slowly? Okay, I'm installing DaVinci Resolve right now. Have you ever had a Windows computer slow down? I mean, this is one of these things that, I mean, if I have a Windows computer and it slows down, I like to reinstall Windows from scratch. So, in order to do that, I download the Windows ISO and I throw it on thumb drive. Then I'll reinstall Windows. Obviously, you're going to have to make sure that you've had a backup of all your files first. Yeah, backups are important because you never know when you're going to need them. Your drive could be zapped just like that. But make sure that you have a backup. Even have two backups. Because if you don't have a backup and you just have the original, say goodbye to your data one day. Let's hope that doesn't happen. But always good to be safe and sorry. Whenever I've installed the new operating system, it feels like, it's an empty room. There's plenty of place to put my stuff. Regards to applications and things like that, it's a good way to tidy up. And in regards to being selective about apps, if I'm having a Windows computer, I would use the likes of Chrome. That would have all likes of my passwords and whatever. Don't tell anybody. But it's got, it's great for password management. Then I also use Brave. That's great for, getting rid of junk ads that, let's say you want to really browse the web sometime. I mean, that doesn't really happen that often, does it? People might stick to the same stuff. But if you're really browsing the web, Brave is great because it gets rid of all the ads. I mean, all the junk ads. It also stops the likes of tracking cookies. Things that watch you where you go on the web. For playing media, I like VLC. VLC is tried and true in regards to watching any content. It's great for watching DVDs, or if I have any other videos, I can play it there. Whenever I'm creating my thumbnails, I like to use VLC for creating snapshots. And that's basically a picture, And then after that, I would throw into the likes of Canva or on my Mac. I like to use Keynote for if I need to put text on or any other graphics. Another cool application is Handbrake. Handbrake allows me to re-encode video in different file formats. If I'm using the likes of OBS, OBS is another application I use. And it allows me to either live stream or capture things on my screen. OBS, whenever I'm recording on the Mac, it saves the file as MKV or Matryoshka. And what I need to do is I need to use Handbrake to re-encode it to the likes of MP4. The reason why I like to record in MKV is because if I'm recording something and something happens to the app, it crashes, then I'm able to salvage the data and I'm able to make the video. And that's cool because at least I'll have something. If I want to be video editing on Windows, I'll be using DaVinci Resolve. I mean, that's works so well. It also works on the Mac. Another application that I install is Steam because I like to play the odd game. It's nice to play games. Some of my favorites are like Portal. Also like my Duke Nukem, and so other than that, I like Deus Ex. Such a great wee game. And one of the last piece of software I like to get my email. Thunderbird's a great wee app, and yeah, instead of having to go out into the web, all your email comes directly to you. I mean, call me old school, but it's just something I do. I like it coming directly to me. I don't have to face the likes of a web browser. If I go onto the web, I'll be probably searching the web for hours. So that's pretty much all I use on Windows regards to any applications. It's amazing how, different apps have changed. We rely on the web so much these days. And we're starting to use applications a little bit less, but if you're the creative person, you're still using the video apps. Yes, you can use like CapCut and it's on the web, but it didn't cut it for my friend. He was trying to use the likes of music in his, he was trying to use music in his video, and they classified that as a pro feature. And if somebody's classifying that as a pro feature, I mean, that's not cool, because, if I want to be putting my own music in there, it's my music. I need an app that works properly. And yes, DaVinci Resolve, it works. It's fantastic. Might take a wee bit of time to learn, but it's a great app. Okay, so that's all you use in Windows. If you have any suggestions on apps that I should check out, put them in the comments. Anyways, have a good day. See you tomorrow. Take it easy.